Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So the purpose of the channel is to focus on the audience and the creator. We as Multicademy, we act as the middleman. You make the request, we get the content and review it, then we return it to you. That is the purpose of the channel. So while we are on the channel, we focus on web development, internet networking, and DIY projects. In the web development aspect, we focus on the beginner aspect, the intermediate aspect. We touch all aspects respectively, all aspects. So for the internet and networking, we introduce you to the internet, we introduce you to ports and protocols, we visualize the request and response, then we show you how this is done. We take you through the roadmap. We provide roadmap for each sections. Then for the DIY projects, we introduce you to Arduino, we introduce you to Raspberry Pi, we introduce you to IoT basics and the likes. Do well to check the videos and playlists in the channel, and do well to like, comment and subscribe to boost the channel productivity. Thank you.